Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to create a landing page on existing Wix website. So let's get started. So first of all, go into editor.wix.com and log into your account. Now once in the editor, on the left hand side, click on the pages and menu option. And now in here, tap on add page and now click on landing pages over here. Now here, choose the page you like, just hover over it and now click on add page. Now just tap on the landing page and you can edit it over here. On the left hand side, you'll see an option for quick edit. Click on it. Now over here on the right, you can change the section background, the title, the paragraph. You can also change the form information and so on. You can also add different elements by clicking on the plus icon on the left hand side. And now here you can choose all of these different elements. And for example, if you want a payment option, click on payments. And now here choose the payment button you would like to add. Now for example, if you want the landing page to be the first thing that people see, on the left hand side again click on the pages and menu section. And now on the landing page, click on the three dots and now click on set as home page. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.